Look at your shoe. It's probably leather or plastic, both tough on the planet. Now think about all the packaging you get. Styrofoam, plastic, more waste. But nature has a solution. Mycelium, the root structure of mushrooms. Mycelium is nature's glue. Strong, light, fireproof. Adidas and Hermes are already using it for shoes and bags. When you're done, it composts right back into the earth. Mycelium is the hidden network under our feet, connecting forests and recycling life. Today, we'll see how this ancient organism is revolutionizing packaging, fashion, buildings, and even food. Let's dive into the world of fungi and see how it could help save the world. To build with mushrooms, you need to know mycelium is a web of tiny threads, nature's recycler. It breaks down dead plants and animals, turning them into nutrients. In a lab, feed it sawdust or waste, and it grows through the material, binding it together. Mold it, let it grow, then bake it to stop growth. Now you have a strong natural product. No toxic glues, just biology at work. Styrofoam is a disaster. Petroleum-based, never breaks down. Ecovative design grows packaging from mycelium and farm waste, shaped in molds for brands like Dell and IKEA. When you're done, toss it in your garden. It composts in weeks. It's packaging that protects your stuff and the planet. Leather is resource-heavy and polluting. Vegan leather is often just plastic. Mycelium-based leathers like Milo and reishi are grown in vertical farms, then processed into soft, durable material. Luxury brands like Hermes and Adidas are using it for high-end products. It's sustainable, ethical, and looks and feels like real leather. Imagine growing bricks in insulation from fungi. Mycelium bricks are strong, light, and fire-resistant, used in projects like the Hi-Fi Tower in New York. After use, they're composted back into the earth. NASA is even exploring mycelium for building habitats on Mars. Grow your building, then return it to nature. Next up, eating mycelium. Companies like Miati and Quorn ferment mycelium to create whole muscle meat alternatives. It's packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients, and mimics the texture of real meat. The process uses a fraction of the water and land of traditional meat. It's a new, sustainable protein source, neither animal nor plant, but fungi. Here's where it gets wild. Mycelium as a living computer. Its network sends electrical signals like a brain. Scientists are experimenting with fungal biocomputing, solving problems and even controlling robots. These circuits can self-heal if damaged. We're far from fungal laptops, but it's a glimpse at a living, adaptive technology. Even in death, mycelium can help. The mushroom burial suit uses mycelium to break down the body, neutralize toxins, and return nutrients to the earth. It's a way to give back to the ecosystem after life, a true return to nature. So why isn't everything made of mycelium yet? Scaling up is tough, growing takes time, and contamination is a risk. Clean facilities and careful protocols add cost. Right now, mycelium products are pricier than plastic or concrete, but with more research and investment, costs will drop, and production will scale. Mycelium signals a shift from the petrochemical age to the biofabrication age. We can grow what we need, then return it to nature, closing the loop. It's not a silver bullet, but it's a powerful partnership with nature's oldest technology. The progress is real, and the future is wide open. Would you wear mushroom shoes or eat a fungal steak? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more on the future of science and tech.